If you are a high school junior, senior, college, or post-baccalaureate student, I would like to invite you to take part in 2 exciting summer programs here at the Seattle Science Foundation. Registration is now open for our summer research internship program in our mini medical school.
And I'm here at the Seattle Science Foundation for mini medical school. It's a really hands-on experience. You get to view things that you won't get to view in other situations.
I really enjoyed the suture labs, learning how to do actual things that I would do in the medical field, like intubating patients and using an ultrasound machine.
My favorite part was either the cadaver, because I could really understand how the human body works, or having the actual doctors come in and tell them the best things about their jobs or the things that are difficult.
If you aren't really sure what you want to do yet, but know you want to do medicine, this is for sure the course for you.
Please sign up for the SSF Summer Research Internship Program in Mini Medical School. See you there.